Hello guys, it's Dale here. I'm just trading the Euro futures with the order flow software, so I wanted to show you how the trade goes. I'm in a short position, and the short position is actually in here on futures, but on Forex the price actually already hit that level in here. So I entered the short, and I was looking for some sort of confirmation on the order flow, confirmation to enter short from there, and the confirmation was very nicely visible on a delta indicator, which shows price, which was rising, and delta, which shows basically the strength of buyers versus the sellers, showed that sellers are dominating the market, that sellers are entering their positions even though the price was rising, as you can see in here. So this is a divergence between price and delta, and this is very nice confirmation when it occurs around a trading level, like it did just now. So because of that, because I saw that around a trading level, I entered the trade, and right now I'm in a short because of the falling delta, because I saw the sellers entering the market even though the price was going upwards. So right now I'm in a short waiting for some reaction. There's a rotation, but hopefully the sellers will become more aggressive and the buyers will run out of strength and there'll be a sell-off. So let me now quickly show you what you see on my workspace. This is my overflow workspace, and this chart right there is a 30-minute overflow chart. By the way, all those charts are linked, so they show the same trading instrument. Alright, so the left top chart is a 30-minute chart where it shows footprints with volumes and also with volume profile in here. This is a 5-minute chart which shows bid and ask in all the footprints. This is a 5-minute chart which is handy for trade confirmations. Also, what is handy for trade confirmations is the delta, which I already talked about. This is a price chart, 1-minute price chart, and this is corresponding delta. And what I look for in here is divergence between price and delta, like you see in here. Rising price, falling delta. That's a strong signal, strong confirmation. And the last chart, this one is a trade filter, which filters out the small volumes and only shows the big trading orders, which are bigger than 25 contracts. Alright, so currently what I'm interested in most is this divergence between price and delta, this 5-minute chart, where you can also see the delta. Those are deltas for all the footprints above, and all those are negative, which means sellers are entering their shorts in here, which is great. That's what we want to see when we are in a short. And this chart right now is very useful for identifying best place for taking profit, and that would be before price hits a heavy volume zone. In this case, there's a heavy volume zone in here, and my take profit will be right there, just above the heavy volume zone, because this could work as a support, and I don't want to risk that. I don't want to risk a reaction to the support, which should look like that. So this is why I'm going to take my profit before the price actually hits the support in here. This is actually 20 pip take profit, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take 10 pip take profit, and then with the second half of the position I'm going to aim for this area. Alright, so that's about that. I'm going to pause the video for now, so it's not too long, and I'm going to continue when there's some new development to comment on. Alright guys, so a little update. The price is still in a rotation. Good news is that delta is still dropping, which is great. So right now price is moving sideways, but delta is dropping. That means that more sellers are entering the market, sellers are more aggressive than the buyers. And what I expect will happen is that the price will start following delta. So I expect that the price will break and go downwards. All right. So let's wait some more and see what happens. I hope that I'll soon be able to take my first take profit, which is in here. And then I will aim for the next one in here. So I'm going to pause the video again and continue when there's some new development. Alright guys, so I just quit the trade. I just took a 10 pip full take profit. I'm not going to try and trail the position. There are two reasons for that. The first reason is that there's a failed auction in here. The software prints a failed auction with a green dotted line in here, and this could work as a magnet, and that's risky because the price could just shoot past that. So this is the first reason I'm not really into taking more risks and trailing the short position. The second reason is that there's a strong uptrend on the euro. You can see it when I zoom it out. The whole day today basically is a strong uptrend, and I don't really want to go too much against that, so that's why I quit the position. So now the trade has ended for me with a 10 pip take profit. Just out of curiosity, I'm going to pause the video for now and play it later, like a couple of hours later, when you'll be able to see how the price action developed after I took the take profit and decided not to trail the position anymore. All right, so I'm going to pause it now for some time, and then I'll show you what happened later. So I let the trade develop a bit further, waited around 3 hours to show you how the price developed. This is the chart with a trade. This is a Forex chart. This is the trade entry. This is a short trading level at 1788. This was the reaction which I was trading with the order flow. The maximum reaction yet from this trade was 15 pip reaction. I took a 10 pip profit. So as you can see, the decision to quit the trade with 10 pip profit and not to try and trail the take profit was a good decision because of the strong uptrend, and also because there was the failed auction visible on the order flow in here. So in the end the market made a reaction, but it did not change a direction on this resistance. So in the end it was a good decision to take the 10 pip take profit. Now as far as the reasoning behind this trade is concerned, I published this trade on my website, this resistance on my website a couple of days ago. If you go to market analysis in here, scroll down a bit, then here it is. I published this resistance the 14th of October. That was on Wednesday. So let me show you. Long story short, there was a volume-based setup, a volume accumulation setup. There were heavy volumes in here in this area. Then there was a strong selling activity commencing from there. So I expected sellers building up their short positions in here and defending those short positions when the price reached this 1788 resistance. All right, so that was the prediction from Wednesday. There was also one more confluence, support becoming resistance. The price worked as a support, and then it was expected to work as a resistance. And yeah, this is how it went. This was the reaction to the level. All right, it would be pretty risky to trade that level blindly without a confirmation on the order flow, but because there was a nice divergence between price and delta, it confirmed that there were some sellers entering the market and that the selling reaction is to come. All right, so anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you like the way how I combine volume profile with order flow. And if you are interested in learning more about trading with the order flow, then you can go to my website, and there's order flow course. You go here and click the order flow, and right there you can get my order flow pack, which includes order flow software, order flow training, that's 12-hour video course, and also the volume profile indicator, which you can combine with the order flow. Now there is a Halloween special sale on that. It's a 50% sale, and now you can get this pack for $397. Alright, so anyways, that's about it. That's about the video. I'll be looking forward to seeing you in some next video, guys, and until then, happy trading.